Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the weekly financial review of Forex and stock markets from InstaForex. 3 days of successive rally helped the US stock market to end the week with solid gains. Nevertheless, the analysts note that the S&P 500 breaching the level of 1,900 points cannot exclude a correction this summer. The S&P 500 closed up by 0.4% on Friday at 1,900.53. On the week, the benchmark gained 1.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial added 0.4%, climbing to 16,606.27 points. The blue chip index accumulated 0.7% for the week. The Nasdaq Composite finished the day 0.8% higher to close at 4,185.81 points. At the end of the week, the indicator strengthened 2.3%. As for economic news, new home sales advanced to 433,000 units in the USA in April, topping the forecast of 429,000. Rosy reports sent the shares of construction companies higher. Thus, D.R. Horton was up by 4.1%, while Lennox Corporation rose by 4%. Alongside with this news, Hewlett-Packard and GameStop shares rallied amid publication of quarterly results to lead the S&P 500. Moreover, GameStop shares jumped by 4.2%. The largest retailer of video games announced on Thursday that its first quarter profits grew to $68 billion or 59 US cents per share from $54.6 billion or 46 US cents per share logged a year ago. The quarterly revenue increased by 7% to $2 billion from $1.87 billion before. The company also maintained its outlook for the fiscal year and said that the current figures matched expectations. Meanwhile, Hewlett-Packard's papers rose by 6.1%. The analysts welcomed the company's plan to reduce the number of employees by 16,000, saying that this measure will help to boost the company's profitability. On Thursday, the company released its first quarter financial report, according to which the earnings rose to $1.27 billion or 66 US cents per share, with the revenue of $27.3 billion. The adjusted income was 88 US cents per share, as expected, although the sales were below the forecasts. Elsewhere in Europe, the Friday session was volatile, with investor sentiment improving after the US housing data. At the same time, business sentiment deteriorated in Germany. Asian stocks went up, with the Japanese Nikkei average gaining 0.9%, following a 2.1% increase on Thursday. This was the weekly review of Forex and stock markets prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.